Hello everyone, I Mohit Jain, computer teacher KM Public School Bhiwani, and today, that is on May 17, we are celebrating the World Telecommunication and Information Society Day. Communication, which is done over a distance by cabling, telegraph, and broadcasting, is known as telecommunication. In other words, we can say that it is the transmission of signals, messages, words, writings, images, and sound, or any kind of information. Without technology, the exchange of information between communication participants is not possible. Long time ago, there were no mediums for quick communication. The kings used to have a person or birds for sending and receiving the handwritten notes to the destinations by traveling. It took hours and days to send a message from one to another. Later, telegrams and letters were invented. The first international telegraph was signed on 17th May 1865, and also the creation of the International Telecommunication Union (ITU) was done on this day, and therefore 17th May is celebrated as World Telecommunication Day every year since 1969. In November 2005, the world's governments took a meeting on information society called upon the UN General Assembly to declare 17th May as World Information Society Day. This day was declared to focus on the importance of ICT and the wide range of issues related to the information society. In March 2006, it was declared that the date 17th May will be celebrated as World Information Society Day. It was declared that both the days, World Telecommunication and Information Society, will be celebrated together on 17th May every year by the ITU conference in Turkey in November 2000. Celebration of this day increase awareness of the positive communication technology among people. It has to purpose to make the information and communication accessible easily to more people in remote and rural areas. World Telecommunication and Information Society Day is celebrated every year with a theme. The theme in the previous few years were like telecommunications and humanitarian assistance, time for action, connection persons with disabilities, big data for big impact. The theme for the year 2018 was enabling the positive use of artificial intelligence for all and focus on the potential of AI. The theme for World Telecommunication and Information Society Day 2020 was Connect 2030 ICTs for the Sustainable Development Goals.
Union ITU on 17 May 1865. On 17 May 1869, first time World Telecommunication Day was celebrated annually, marking the founding of ITU and the signing of first International Telegraph Convention in 1865. The main purpose of celebrating World Telecommunication and Information Society Day is to help in raising awareness in generating possibilities using the internet, other information and communication technologies ICT, bring them to societies and economies and create a way to bridge the digital divide. The whole world is suffering from COVID-19 pandemic and several countries are under lockdown. At this tough time, people are working from home and this is possible due to the internet. Operators have increased data allowances and broadband speeds and added capacity to their networks. Therefore, this way we can say that the telecom industry is coping with COVID-19. The year 2020 represents a unique opportunity for ITU membership to commemorate ICT's contribution to the advancement of the information society. The theme Connect 2030 ICTs for the Sustainable Development Goals SDGs will allow ITU membership to reflect on the ICT advances for transitions to smart and sustainable development. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Every 17th of May mark WTISD. With the increase in growth of importance of IT alongside telecommunication, it is recognized that the topic needed to be brought to public attention. Main purpose of WTISD 2021 is to raise awareness among accelerating digital transformation of challenging times. It reflects how ITU and its membership will adopt and respond to new challenges through ICTs. It also enhances the cooperation between governments, business societies, UN bodies, civil society and other stakeholders in challenging times. By considering both opportunities and challenges of digital transformation, WTISD is trying to find the timely and effectively answer to these challenges that the world may experience. Thank you.
Telecommunication and Information Society Day is celebrated every year with a new theme to raise awareness about the importance of communication and focuses on to increase the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The day also focuses on how information travels across the world. Therefore, it is dedicated to the evolution of communication, possibilities of using internet and other resources to bridge the digital divide. The whole world is suffering from COVID-19 pandemic and several countries are under lockdown. At this tough time, people are working from home and this is possible due to internet. Therefore, we can say that the telecom industry is coping with COVID-19. Based on fundamental human rights, they build people-centered, inclusive and oriented information society. It also highlights that how crucial is communication in our lives and stimulates the development of technologies in different fields. The theme of World Telecommunication and Information Society Day 2021 is accelerating the digital transformation in challenging times. Throughout the year, with national, regional, and international initiatives to accelerate the digital transformation.
World Telecommunication Day celebrate constant evolution of one of the most important factor of our lives, communication. The main goal of World Telecommunication Day is to highlight the importance of communication and how information travel across the world. It also aims to increase awareness of how crucial communication is in our lives and stimulate the development of technologies in the field. The focus is on internet and other information and communication technologies. We use the day to look at the different benefits ICT has had on economies and societies. The World Telecommunication Day is in tight connection with International Telegraph Union. IT was present throughout all the great breakthroughs in communication, like the invention of telephone in 1876, the launch of first satellite in 1957, and ultimately the birth of internet in 60s. Even though the International Telegraph Union has changed its name to International Telecommunication Union, it still remains the most important entity in the fields of communication, thus remaining in the spotlight at World Telecommunication Day.
World Telecommunication Day is celebrated annually on 17th May since 1969, marking the foundation of ITU and the signing of the first International Telegraph Convention in 1865. It was instituted in 1973 as Resolution 46. In November 2005, the World Summit called upon the UN General Assembly to declare 17 May as Information Society Day to focus on the importance of ICT and the wide range of issues related to information society raised by WSIS. And from that day, the world is celebrating both the events collectively on 17 May as World Telecommunication and Information Society Day. And talking about its importance, then the COVID-19 crisis have already highlighted the critical role of information and communication technologies for the proper functioning of our societies. The ITU members have stepped up and engaged in activities that have actually proven essential in saving lives and sustaining economies. They have demonstrated their remarkable resilience in the face of challenging times. So, I, Prachi Agrawal, a student of KMPS, invite you to be an active participant for the support and development of ITU. Thank you.
Today is World Telecommunication Day. So, a letter took a day to reach its destination back in a day. And thanks to telecommunication and technology, from which we all are connected with everyone across the world. Happy World Telecommunication Day. Thank you.
Telecommunication and Information Society Day has been celebrated annually every 17 May since 1969 to mark the founding of ITU and the signing of the first International Telegraph Convention in 1865. At the same time, the COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the urgency of accelerating digital transformation and advancing the goals and the targets of the Connect 2030 agenda to leave no one behind. World Telecommunication and Information Society Day 2021 is an opportunity for ITU membership to continue to push for digital transformation by promoting national strategies on ICT development, smart policies to encourage investments, cooperation and partnership.